fielder to just take it easy. They need to take it easy. I think it's a big stage that can get to you. But you've got to look at it as a chance to become hero. At the World Cup '92 team meeting, it was the shortest, Jonty. Just one-liner from Imran. Just go out there, enjoy the final, boys. Oh, nice angle back into the stumps, and he's off and running as well.
1992, that was it.
That was it, yeah. Nothing much said. There's 80,000 plus people. Go out there, enjoy this. We may not ever relive this in our lives again, so might as well go out there and relax and try to become a hero.
I seem to remember it worked.
It did. Somehow it did, yes. And the pass pushed outside the leg stump will not be up.
Sohail Tanveer is an incredible performer for his team in the power plays because he gets the ball to swing. If there's pace in his bounce, we've seen on these wickets, pace and bounce that's misdirected travels to the boundary so quickly. It's awesome to see someone got in nice and tight, not giving any width. And to do that, you do need to swing the ball. Coming back on the pads, too high, but on the money straight away.
What a pretty picture National Stadium is looking under lights in full bloom and glow. This is a nice start, just angling it across the stumps. That Malhotra will take a little bit of time just to get himself going at this stage. So much at stake. Just to drop a few balls, used to the environment, the atmosphere, big stage.
Yep, and Peshawar Zalmi have come through the hard way. Been involved with teams that have taken the shortcut or the hard route. Other times the teams managed to win it. Doesn't really make much of a difference. The final is a game on its own. It was a tournament within itself.
Nice ball. Really is a fine start from Sohail Tanveer. He's raising his game. Excellent start. Well, as they say, all roads lead to National Stadium, Karachi tonight. Picture that. There's a thing or two about this sprawling city. Playing on this fantastic start by Sohail Tanveer. Only 2 runs given by after over. Good. 2 runs, that's excellent running.
Yeah, good running between the wickets. I think the batting player had identified that Sohail Tanveer was after it, and they backed themselves against him. So, good start. Hasnain's had a great tournament. Come on, really strong.
Picked some wickets in the last part of his bowling stint. When the charge is on, he bowls at pace and gives the length right as well. Mohammad Islam. Ball whizzes past the outside edge of the bat.
He has not just the pace, he gets extra bounce being a tall man. Imam al-Haq, he gives himself too much room. Tries to hit it too hard,